Hi! Today we present to you the hiccup.
Hiccup. Do you know what is a hiccup, guys? Do you know? Alright, if you're new here, he's Arav. My name is Preeti. Welcome to
storytelling session.
Alright, can we sing the Magic Hat song?
The magic hat is shaking. The magic hat is shaking. The magic hat is shaking. This is magic potion.
Yes. Give me the story, Arav.
Wallah, there's a hiccup, 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 hiccup.
Hiccup is the name of the story, and Arav has made his hair super funny today. We're gonna say hello to all the friends. If you're new here, let us know who you are and what's your name, and if you like Arav's new hairstyle. I think he's looking like a champu, okay?
Thank you.
Hi, Neerav. Neerav, do you think Arav is looking cool or he's looking champu? I think he's looking champu.
I think I'm looking cool.
You're looking like my champu baby. Champu baby, champu baby.
Hi, Samvit.
Hi, Samvit.
Hi, Samvit.
Thank you for joining us for the story time. All right, let's go and meet two cute cuddly bears. Cutie boy cuddly bears.
Like we both are cuddly bears.
You are not cuddly. You're not fat at all. You can call me a bear still. Okay, guys, do you like bear?
Nobody likes bear.
Or are you scared of bear?
Guys, who likes my new hairstyle?
I think you're looking like a champu.
I
Samvit,
think
Neerav, do let us know. Do you think it's looking cool or it's looking like a champu? Okay.
Champu means?
I can't tell you that.
Why?
Thank God you don't know what is champu.
Tell.
Champu means also cute, okay?
No, come on.
Champu means a little bit silly.
Come on.
It means a little bit silly.
Come on, tell the truth.
It is the truth.
Fine.
The story is The Hiccup. This book is written by Ingrid. And let's go and meet the two cutie best friends, the two bears. One of them is called Elliott. Okay? I don't know the name of the other bear. We'll find out now. Oh, he's called Lutz. Elliott and Lutz. Sometimes when you eat or speak too quickly, funny things can happen. Like with Elliott the bear, who got the hiccups because he was eating something really quickly. And since the hiccups would not go away, Elliott became very grouchy. What made him especially angry was that his cousin Lutz, who was lying down on the mat, who was visiting him in the woods, did not get the hiccups and was making fun of him. So every time Elliott would go like this, Lutz would make fun of his hiccup. Have you guys ever gotten a hiccup? Let's see. We have gotten some comments about your hairstyle, Arav. Champu is new cool, says Samvit. Hi, Kaira and Shrika. Champu chipku, says Neerav. Samvit likes bear. Word shampoo originated from the word champu. Champu shampoo. Okay. Hi, Pehel. Pehel, I love your name. You have got a very cute name. All righty. So, tell me in the comment section, have you ever gotten hiccup? Arav, have you ever gotten a hiccup? Many times, right? So, in our culture, we believe that if you get a hiccup, that means somebody is thinking about you. Do you ever get hiccup? And let us know if there's something special associated with hiccup in your culture, okay? Now we go back to Elliott and Lutz. Elliott thought, if we take a walk in the woods, the hiccups will surely go away. But he was wrong. It did not. A squirrel heard Elliott's hiccups and said, hold your breath and count 10 nuts in your head. 1 nut, 2 nut, 3 nut, pine nut, chestnut. But no, counting to 10 wasn't enough to make the hiccups go away. And this delighted Lutz, who kept laughing whenever Elliott did this, the hiccup sound. Elliott is hiccup. The hiccups are quite noisy, isn't it? Yeah, Arav?
Yeah.
Guys, can you hear Elliott's hiccup?
Yeah.
Give us a thumbs up in the comment section if you can hear Elliott's hiccup. Now, in a pond, a frog was hard at work practicing his swimming. When he heard Elliott, he said, "You should drink a lot of water all at once, and that should help your hiccup go away." But no, the hiccups did not stop, even when Elliott drank a lot of water. And this made Lutz laugh at him. Yeah?
He liked it.
See? Elliott is doing the hiccups and Lutz is ha-ha-ha-ing him. Yeah? Laughing at him.
Ha-ha-haing means nothing.
Okay, Neerav says he gets the hiccups many times. I get hiccups whenever I laugh out loud. Arav found this comment really funny. Hi, Priyanka. All right. Let's go back and see. So whatever the squirrel said, like counting to 10, it did not work for Elliott. Yeah. Drinking a lot of water all at once, as suggested by the frog, did not work for Elliott. Let's see what's going to work for him. So the two bears, Elliott and Lutz, they walked on through the woods. Elliott was busy hiccuping and stumbling, and Lutz just couldn't stop laughing at him. He was having a great time making fun of Elliott. A fox, who, I don't know why, is hanging upside down like a bat, which he should not. Can you see the fox?
Yeah.
Why is he upside down?
Because he wants to be a bat.
He wants to be a bat. Look at his nose and the bear's nose. The snout. You know? Snout, snout, snout. A fox was amazed at all the noise he heard. When he caught sight of the two bears, he said, "You should stand on your head." Oh, that's what the fox is showing the bear, that the bear should stand on its head. And then the hiccups will go away. Do you think the bear would try standing on his head?
No.
It could be dangerous. I tried once. I couldn't. Can you do a headstand, Arav?
Yes.
Lying. Have you ever tried?
I can do headstand, but not stand on my head.
Headstand, you know what you have to do? You have to put your head down and your body goes up. Like that.
This?
Not like this.
I use my hands and go down for like some
We'll try headstand after the story time today. Guys, you can also try, okay? Now let's find out if the fox's idea of doing a headstand would work for Elliott. Do you think it will work?
No.
I don't think so it will work. But the hiccup was still there. And next they met a batch of badgers. Can you see the badger band? They have violin, they have guitar, they have drums, they have a mic. It's a true band, Arav. Have you heard them sing?
No.
It's called the Badgers Big Band. Big Bang Theory. Okay. So a badger had yet another idea for Elliott. He said, "You should try singing a little song." Which song should Elliott sing?
Dung, 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 dung.
What's that song?
Lamborghini. Lamborghini.
Every time.
Because that's the only song I know.
That's the only song you know. Okay. So the badger's idea was to try singing a little song. But no, that didn't work either. And can you see Lutz? How much he's laughing at Elliott?
Yeah.
He's having a great time
Lutz
making fun of Elliott while Elliott is feeling all grumpy and grouchy.
I hope Lutz get hiccups and Elliott can cheat Lutz.
Guys, do you laugh at your friends when they get a lot of hiccups and it doesn't go away? But it can be funny, right? If somebody is doing all the time for a long time, right? Okay, let's find out what's going to happen next. So whose idea didn't work? The fox's idea of headstand did not work. The frog's idea of drinking a lot of water did not work. The squirrel's idea of counting from 1 to 10 did not work.
Badger's
Idea of singing a song did not work.
idea of walking the park.
Who said about walking in the park? Arab's idea.
I mean, she thought right.
Yeah. Elliott thought that a walk in the park might work, but it did not work. Now they met a rabbit. A rabbit laughed at the bear who was doing the hiccups continuously, non-stops. And the rabbit said, hiccups are a kind of monster in your tummy. You just have to poke it, and when you poke the monster, which is the hiccup in your tummy, it will hop out of your mouth and run away. Could the rabbit possibly be right? Do you think hiccup is a monster in your tummy? Team yes, let us know in the comment section.
No.
And team no, let us know in the comment section. I'm team no.
I'm team no.
I don't think hiccup is a monster.
You have to be team yes. I chose team no.
Okay, I'm team yes.
I'm team no.
Could the rabbit possibly be right? No! That also didn't work. The poking didn't work.
So now you got
The poking didn't work. All it did was to make Elliott laugh out loud. Then they met a doe. Arav, I love doe. How beautiful it is. Such a beautiful animal, right?
Yeah.
The doe had another idea, but she kept it to herself. I wonder why is the doe not sharing the idea with Elliott?
Don't know.
And I wonder why are the bears running behind somebody with a net in their hand?
It's Elliott who's chasing her brothers.
Elliott is chasing Lutz? But
Yeah.
why?
Because Lutz is making fun. Now Elliott
Is it?
making
Let's
fun.
find out.
Yeah.
Sadly, all the advice Elliott had gotten from all the animals was completely useless. His hiccups still did not stop, and non-stop he went. How did he do?
Didn't he?
So, non-stop hiccups for Elliott. All of the animals in the woods felt very sorry for him. Everybody felt sorry except Lutz. Lutz was having a gala time making fun of Elliott. Can you tell me which one is Lutz? The one with the scarf around his neck or the one without the scarf?
With the scarf.
Okay, let me know in the comment section if you know. Arav, let go of your hands from my head, buddy. Okay, let me know if you know which one is Lutz, huh? The one who's laughing. Is he the one with the scarf or is he the one without the scarf? Now, what will poor Elliott do? Laughing, Lutz wasn't paying attention, and because he was laughing out so loud and so hard, he wasn't paying any attention at all where he was going, where he was stepping, and accidentally he stepped on a stick with his paw, and bum-ba-da-boom, he landed flat on the ground. Elliott was shocked when Lutz fell down, and he gasped like that. Can you see Lutz
Yeah.
on the ground?
Yeah.
What was that? Elliott listened. Yes! His hiccups had finally disappeared. And they had finally found somebody else. Can you guess who it is?
Lutz.
Yes. Now, who was doing all the hiccup?
Lutz.
Yes.
And Elliott was laughing.
Elliott was not making fun of him because
Why?
Elliott is a nice bear. Making fun of others when they are doing hiccups is a mean thing to do, right?
Then why was his brother making fun?
His brother was just having fun, enjoying when Elliott was doing all the hiccups. So yes, Nirav, you're right. Which scarf is Lutz? Hi, Savi. Yes, the shock worked, you know. When Elliott was shocked, when his brother Lutz fell down and he gasped, "Oh, it worked!" And the hiccup was gone. Awesome, guys. So I think it was a very cute story. Did you like the story, buddy?
Yep.
So guys, what's the quiz for today? And let me know what's your favorite part of the story. My favorite part of the story, let me think. But before that, let me ask you the quiz.
The quiz is who is the one with the carpet behind?
No, that's not the quiz. The quiz question is, which animals did we meet in the story today? And if you remember, what advice did they give to Elliott? Okay? So which animals did Elliott meet in the story tonight? And what are the advices they gave to him to get rid of his hiccup? All right, your time starts now. The person who can remember the different animals, like the maximum number of animals and all the advices, will be the winner of today's quiz. Now let me think, what was my favorite part of the story? What was the favorite part of story for me? Let me think. I really liked it when Elliott said that finally the hiccup stopped and it found somebody else. That was a funny part for me, and it found Lutz. Yeah. Samvit said Elliott met Frog and the frog advised Elliott to drink lots of water. That's right. 1 point for Samvit. And the squirrel advised him to count from 1 to 10. 2 points for Samvit. Bear and deer. That's right. Neelam. Fox, deer, bears. That's right. Poonam. Fox advised for a headstand. That's right. And the doe was there. Rabbit. What did the rabbit advise Elliott?
The rabbit advised that this hiccup is a monster.
Yes, Sarah was telling me all the answers. He's whispering it into my ears.
And the frogs drink water to help you hiccups.
So we have gotten so many correct answers, right? Frog, drink water. Squirrel, count from 1 to 10. Fox gave the headstand advice. Rabbit gave the advice to poke the tummy.
It said, I think a walk in the park will do, the one with hiccup.
Bear, frog, squirrel, fox, rabbit, doe. That's right, Neerav. Are we missing any of the animals? Let's see. First he met the frog, right?
A fox.
First he met the squirrel, which advised him to count from 1 to 10. Then he met the frog, which advised him to drink lots of water, right?
Yeah.
Third, he met the fox, which advised him to do the headstand. Then who did he meet? Rabbit?
Yeah.
Who advised him to poke his tummy. Then who did he meet next? Did he get any other advice?
Fox.
Fox, we already said, no? Then finally, what worked for him? When Lutz tripped over the piece of wood. Right. Awesome, guys. So thank you for participating in the quiz. I think we have lots of winners today. Samvit is a winner. Neerav is a winner. And Neelam Salva. I don't know. Sorry, I don't remember the name of the kid who joined from your side. But you are a winner too. Who else? Poonam Khade Dote. You are a winner too. Savi, right? Savi is a winner too. And Arav is a winner. Thank you for participating in the quiz, guys. It was a lot of fun reading out this story to you tonight. And we'll see you tomorrow with story number 103. All right? Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. And I'll put a Champu Arab to sleep. Bye.